HIV treatment effectiveness. Hello, welcome to Mark Medicals. Today, let me respond to you guys who requested to know about HIV treatment effectiveness. If you are a new visitor, subscribe today so that you will never miss any video we post here weekly. Alright. In my last videos, I already explained how a complete HIV cure could be possible in the near future. In another video, I gave you research updates and how promising they are all, right? So, before I answer this question, here are basic HIV statistics you need to know. 1. According to 2020 data, 37.7 million people are living with HIV globally. And in the same year, data shows that 1.5 people were newly infected with HIV, and 680,000 people died of HIV/AIDS. 2. At the end of 2020, about 27 million people were already receiving HIV treatment, also known as ARVs. 3. Since 1997, new HIV infections have been sliced by a whopping 57%, which is very good, right? 4. And finally, since 2004, HIV-related death has been reduced by a whopping 64%. So we are seeing less death from HIV since then. But why? Well, the major reason we have been seeing a big drop in new HIV infections and drops in HIV-related deaths is nothing but effective treatments. HIV targets and destroys our CD4 cells, making your body attackable by many infections which will in the end kill you. If you are diagnosed early and started on treatment, your immunity will be repaired in just 6 months, evidenced by a drop in your viral load and a rise in your CD4 cell counts. Once your immunity is very strong, you will never die of HIV-related illness. Actually, the current life expectancy of people living with HIV is no different from that of HIV-negative people. Current studies have reported that a 20-year-old diagnosed with HIV has a very higher chance of celebrating his 70th birthday. Wow. Besides, soon we shall have a complete HIV cure, so no worries, guys. Alright, if you want to continue receiving HIV complete cure updates, just subscribe to this channel. Also, please like and share this video with friends. Until then, nice time.